Alright guys, what's up? Out here with another stock trout video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to catch a limit of trout on Powerbait. Just talked to this guy back here. He's been here for an hour, he's caught nothing. Hopefully I catch something. I mean, I'm pretty confident I can catch some stuff with Powerbait. Let you know what happens, keep you updated. Hopefully we can do this. So here's the setup, right? So personally, I like to use 6 to 8 pound line. Finickier fish obviously will hit on the lightest line you can go, but they're stock trout, they don't really care. They're just here to eat, bro. They just want food. So another thing I do, I like to use the lightest sinker possible. A lot of people want their lines tight so they can see a bite, but if you're watching your rod with a light sinker, you can easily tell. And I'm telling you, you're gonna catch more fish. You really are. So here's what we're doing with the bait, right? Little scoop. I like to do like a. Basically the goal is to cover the hook, right? So just wrap it around the hook. I know some people like to make like a worm shape. Some people make like a pyramid. Some people just make a circle. I just cover the hook, right? Just cover the hook. Make sure it floats too. You want that floating off the bottom. So hook's covered. That's a good shape. That's usually the shape I use. Right there. That's it. That's all it is, right? See? Make sure it. Right, so you got your sinker. You got your sinker on the bottom, and then you got your bait floating up, right? It's perfect. That's what you want. So we'll throw this out there, see what we can do, all right? So that's right there. That's all set up. Other one. Got 2 rods, right? Maximize your chances, right? Got another rod. Just doing the same exact thing. Little power bait. Cover the hook. Cast it down. Wait. That's it. Other thing. Keep this in mind. Stock trout, right? Pretty much gonna eat if you put food on them. So what you want to do is, instead of staying in one place, playing with fish that you don't even know are there, just keep moving. If you put food in front of them, they're gonna eat it, right? Doesn't matter. So if you move, cover as much water as you can, catch more fish, right? That's just how it works. That's how stock trout fishing works. Fish on, fish on. Already a fish on, let's go. That's one. That's one, baby. Let's go. 1 fish already. That's one. 1 fish, let's go. Look at that, right? Literally 2 minutes in, already got a fish. What can I say? Can't complain. That's how you do it, guys. See, now guys, that was a subtle bite, right? I saw my line get tight, picked it up, felt the fish. He didn't hesitate to eat it, swallowed the whole thing, set the hook. It's that easy. Once again, here we go. Here. Let's go check this out. Cast it right out, give it a sec. We'll let it chill for a sec. Right there. That's it. That's all it is. Cast it out and wait. I'm getting a bite. I just got bit. I just got bit. Did you see that, guys? Got him. Got him. Oh, dropped it. He's gonna pick it up again. Dang, guys. Did me like that. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish. Fish on. Fish on. Rainbow. Fish on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. A nice little rainbow. Got him. Fish on. Nice one, dude. Dude, nice one, bro.
Dang. Nice. That's that.
Dude, that is a chunk.
Yeah, he choked it.
3. Let's go. All right, guys. Got another bite. Got him. Ooh, it's like a palomino looking one. Look at it. It's like all light.
This is a decent one.
Watch out on this one.